Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and your AirDrop is not working, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest internet connection. It might be Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode. It will fix a quick refresh into your network settings. And once you have done, you just have to go back and here open your settings app, and here you just have to go for general section, and here you have to go for software update, and you have to try to update your software. If you have any pending software update here, you have to try to update your software. Once you have done, you have to go for AirDrop here, and you have to enable this everyone for 10 minutes, and you have to enable these toggles also. Once you have done so, it will almost fix your issue, or if this method doesn't work for you, you have to go for the transfer reset iPhone. Select reset all settings, and here you just have to enter your passcode, and here you will get a confirmation pop-up message. You have to select reset all settings. So here once you have selected, it will reset all of your phone's setting. It will not delete your data. So you can easily try this. And after that, if you are still having the same issue, you have to open your browser and you have to simply search for support.apple.com, or you can search for Apple Support here. Open, or you have to select your device here. In my case, I'm going to select my iPhone. Then scroll down, you will get the option of get support. Here's the option, select the star now here, and here you just have to scroll down and look for the option of more, and then look for AirDrop here, select continue, and here you will get your issue, or if you can't get your issue here, you have to select to get more help, select call us, and here you will get a official contact number for your Apple support team. Now whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number and you will get contact with Apple support team member. You just have to discuss your issue and you'll get official help from here. So in this way you can easily fix if your AirDrop is not working on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.